Hi, my name is Precious Zaragoza. I'm 14 years old.
Hello po, my name is John Paul Oro from Bacolod.
My home course is Canluban Golf and Country Club and my school is Learning Links Academy.
My home course is Marapara and Biniting Golf Club. Palo ko ngayon, mahirap yung iron ko at saka yung putting. Nasa mga 1 pin, di papasok yung save par. Naubos kahapon eh.
I think today my putting was a lot better. I can sink putts today. I actually didn't expect to shoot under today because my plan is just fairway greens, par.
Bukas mag-over club na ako kasi last day na ng bukas eh. Habol na yung pin. Yung drive ko, importante gitna. At saka yung second shot, tama lahat yung win. Dapat yung walang short.
For tomorrow, kung sino maganda yung short game, I think that person will win. No changes for tomorrow, still fairway and greens. I'm still doing my best.
Thank you po sa sponsor ko kay Miornel and Bacolod Golf and Country Club and Ma'am Sony and Ma'am Cara and Sir Gerald and Sir Andy. Thank you.